Musamseleku, he was so proud about his daughter Abongwe. Abongwe wrote a speech about her father. Musamseleku, he was so proud because Abongwe brought her father some presents at his birthday. Even Macele, she is very proud about her daughter Abongwe. Even Lwandle, guys, Macele, she is a very prayerful woman because Macele's children, they have no drama to Macele's family. There is no drama. Even Musamseleku knows that there is peace in Macele's family because even Lwandle, there is, guys, Lwandle, he doesn't have drama. He doesn't have drama like Mpumelelo. You understand? Lwandle, he doesn't have drama. That's why Musamseleku loves those kids, Lwandle and Abongwe, just because, guys, those kids are good kids because there is no drama like Sneh and Mpumelelo. Mpumelelo and Sneh, guys, they have got a drama, but Lwandle and Abongwe, especially Abongwe, maybe I think even Abongwe at school, she is doing good. Abongwe at school, she is doing very good. Abongwe. Even Musamseleku knows that Abongwe, she is a very good child. Abongwe, because she wrote a speech about her father. Even Macele, guys, she is very happy about her daughter because, guys, Macele's children, they have no drama. Lwandle and Abongwe, they don't want drama and they love their father because they are tolerate everything their father told them. You understand? They are tolerant. Even Lwandle, he doesn't want many women like his father. Lwandle, even you look at Lwandle, but in Mpumelelo, he wants to be like Musamseleku. You understand? Mpumelelo, he wants to play two roles, a father and a son. You understand? Mpumelelo, he wants to be Mseleku. That's why Mpumelelo, he wants marrying many wives, but he is failing. You understand? Guys, Lwandle and Abongwe, they are good children because they tolerate their parents. Mpumelelo, he doesn't tolerate his mother. Mpumelelo, he doesn't want to tolerate his mother. It's yes, guys, that your child, he doesn't tolerate you. We don't know that Mpumelelo, he was good at school. We don't know. Understand? Just because, guys, that boy, he doesn't want to tolerate anyone except his father. Mpumelelo tolerate Musamseleku only. You understand?